Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Nissan Altima transmission issues. First, always check your transmission fluid. Ensure it's at the correct level and looks clean, not dark or burnt. Next, visually inspect for any leaks underneath your vehicle. Finally, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to retrieve any diagnostic trouble codes. These codes can provide valuable clues about the problem, guiding your next steps effectively. Many common Altima transmission problems can be resolved with straightforward solutions. Often, simply replacing old, dirty transmission fluid and the filter can make a significant difference. For minor leaks, new gaskets or seals might be all that's needed. Sometimes, a software update for the transmission control module can also correct shifting irregularities and improve performance. If basic fixes don't resolve the issue, you might need to delve into more advanced troubleshooting. Carefully inspect the valve body, which controls fluid flow, for any blockages or wear. Test the transmission solenoids to ensure they are functioning correctly and receiving proper electrical signals. Also, examine the torque converter for any signs of damage or excessive wear, as it's crucial for power transfer. While many issues can be tackled at home, some transmission problems require professional expertise. If you suspect complex internal failures, or if you don't have the specialized tools and knowledge, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. They can accurately diagnose severe issues, such as a failing torque converter or extensive internal damage, which might necessitate a full transmission rebuild or replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.